What's up guys, Garrett here with Deranged Off-Road, and tonight it's all about the KRX two-seater. So this is gonna be a little bit different kind of video, but tonight we're gonna be talking about why we are letting Super Beast go to a different owner. All right guys, so one of the main reasons why we are selling this machine is because it's just not a four-seater. So that is the main thing. It's gonna be hard to let it go, but we need another four-seater. So as you know, we already have a new KRX 4. We bought that machine with the intent of building it, getting it ready and doing everything that we needed to it to know that we would keep a KRX in the stable. Also, after we bought that machine, we pretty much knew that it was time to get rid of the two-seater. So with that being said, that is the number one reason why we are selling the KRX, is because we want to get another four-seater, six-seater. We don't know yet. We'll find out. But also, it's mainly just because we all have families and it's time to get something bigger to make sure when we have 3 cars that all of them can fit multiple people. All right, reason number 2 that we decided to sell the KRX is because we're pretty much done building it out. We've kind of done everything that we needed to do to it, or what we have felt like we wanted to do to it. We've added all sorts of different parts, everything from several different types of tires, rims, suspension, Dirt Warrior's windshield. It's had a couple windshields on it because it's gone from a stock cage to a aftermarket cage. It's had a couple different types of lights on it, front lights. It's got bumper, it's got LEDs. One of the biggest improvements, of course, we made too is we put the KraftWerks Supercharger on it. We did an aftermarket budget-friendly storage box. The list goes on and on and on. We did custom seats, all that kind of stuff. So with that being said, there's just not much more that we want to do to it. And after having it for about 3 years, not only adding accessories to it, filming it, doing all the install stuff and everything, we've also taken it out and done several rides, different type of comparison videos, all that kind of stuff. And we're pretty much done with that. So I don't think we really want to sell it, but at the end of the day, we're just done building on it. So it's time to move on to something else. And we've had a lot of requests on our channel from different comments of people saying, hey, why do you guys have 2 KRXs? All that kind of stuff. So anyways, pretty soon, not anymore. So the third reason, and the last reason, is that, as you know, we are a channel that usually has multiple different kinds of machines where we like to compare them, do different things with them. As of right now, we have a 2-seater KRX and a 2-seater, and we have Clifford. So let me back up. So we have Super Beast, the 2-seater, then we have Clifford, the 4-seater. So we have 2 KRXs and then 1 Pro XP that we have all built out as well. So it's time to change that. So we do want to bring a different manufacturer on to the channel so we can have more to compare, and I think that's what a lot of people, you guys, our viewers and subscribers, want to see as well. So that is the other third reason why we want to sell the KRX. So with that being said, let me give you a quick review of the KRX in general, since I am getting ready to sell it. So overall, since day one, I really have not had any issues. The biggest thing is with the knuckles up front, I have still not switched out the knuckles. They're original stock knuckles. They've had 0 issues. I haven't had to switch them out. I could call, Kawasaki at any time and get those switched out. I just haven't yet. And I might right before I sell it, I don't know. The other thing is too, as far as the mechanical side of it, the motor, the front diff, all that kind of stuff, 0 issues as well. I've changed out the clutch weights to right coast off-road clutch weights as well, but those have worked out great. Those have, those are pushing 2,000 plus miles on them, no problem. The other thing is now I've put a lot more miles on the supercharger. I've had 0 issues with that as well. And overall, it's been a great machine. I really have never had to work on it. It has the original battery on it as well. And a lot of people I know go through different batteries, but if you wire things correctly, you will not go through batteries that often. So it still has original battery on it. And it's just a great all-around machine. We took it out to San Hollow not long ago where we all got a chance to drive the Notch. I had everybody drive it and do that. And then one of our friends, Dustin, that was new to rock crawling, I had him jump in it and do it in this. And he loved it. And that's why I like this machine, or love this machine so much. It's so user-friendly. I feel like new people can get into this, and if they want to get into rock crawling, this machine makes it so easy. And it's just been great. Plus the ride quality, all that kind of stuff. My wife loves it. Everybody loves it for ride quality. And really, we're just sad to see it go, but it's time to move on. So other than that, I think the big thing is that we need to bring on a different machine to the channel as well. And we haven't figured out quite yet what we're gonna do. We know of some different new machines coming out that are gonna be released. Also, we know the Expedition has come out, which is a really cool machine, which we like to do more mountain stuff and overlanding stuff. So maybe that's the direction we go for a while. I don't know. We'll figure that out soon. We'll bring it to the channel, and then we'll have a bunch more videos to go, you know, to do when we get ready to build that out and go for rides. So anyways, if you guys have any questions or any remarks that you wanted about us and our decision to sell the KRX 2, let us know down below in the comments. So until next time, remember, whatever you pack in, you pack out. And I don't know if you'll see the KRX anymore on the channel or not. We'll have to see. Maybe I'll use it before I sell it. But it's pretty hot here in St. George, so who knows. But anyways, we'll catch you on the next one.